Here we're at Rosemount Technology Center. Here we're doing the welding program. It's based on a 1,800 hours program. Here in RTC, we're doing like a working study. So we're doing the theory here in class. When they come in the shop, they do a few hours in the shop, and then we push them in the industry. So they finish their program learning in the industry. There's 4 or 5 stage that they do. Actually, it's called alternance, working study. The last module, module 29, they do the full stage out. Usually around 90-95% of the students will find a job. Usually we help them to find a job after, especially for their stage. When you're finishing your course here, you can work in the industry, any types of industry. You can weld a sanitary, you can weld whatever the process you can weld with. Therefore, you can go in Alberta and make a lot of money